To defrost frozen bread while keeping it fresh and crisp, thaw only as many slices as you plan to use right away. Put the slices on a microwave-safe plate and leave them uncovered. Or, if you like, wrap a paper towel around them to help retain moisture. Microwave the slices on high for 10 seconds at a time until they are completely defrosted. Don't microwave the bread for more than 1 minute, or it will start to become chewy and stale. Alternatively, put the slices in a toaster oven and heat them up for a few minutes on the defrost or frozen setting. If you want to defrost an entire loaf at once, the easiest method is to leave the bread out at room temperature for a few hours. However, the crust may be a little soggy once it thaws. Another option is to unwrap the loaf and put it on a baking sheet. Then put it in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Leave the bread in the oven for 40 minutes, then take it out and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to cool.